Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing safety-first materials. Pick straight toothpicks and shorten them to about 1/2 if needed to control flight. Then attach a soft tip, tiny eraser, foam bead, or marshmallow, so the point is blunt and won't pierce surfaces or skin. Once done, mark a target zone at 1 to 2 meters and remove any breakables. Clear the area so nothing can be accidentally hit. Make sure to keep fingers behind the launch line and wear eye protection for extra caution. You now assemble for consistent throws. Fix the soft tip with a small dab of craft glue or tape, centering it so the weight is even. Balance affects straight flight. Grip the thicker end between thumb and forefinger about 5–10 mm from the base, align the toothpick with your forearm to create a straight launch axis, and practice a gentle flick with the wrist rather than a hard snap. Once you find a motion that groups shots, repeat slowly to build accuracy. You finish by refining flight and handling problems. If throws veer, tweak tip placement slightly to rebalance or swap a heavier or lighter tip. Small shifts change yaw. If the toothpick wobbles or stalls, shorten it a touch or sand rough ends to reduce drag. Once adjustments are made, practice consistent release timing. Maintaining the same grip and wrist flick improves grouping. If shots remain unpredictable, stop and recheck balance and target safety.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.